Ayan guys, so ngayon kasi 'di ba, I said that in 2022 our goal is to become beautiful inside and out. So first step is outside ba. So of course, wala kasi akong facial routine or skincare. So, I decided to order a product. It's Lumière. I don't know how to properly pronounce it. So, naghanap lang ako sa FB marketplace, and I saw a seller nearby, and then this is the Lumière package or a set of 600. So yun, ang cute, ang cute niya. May package, meron talaga siyang box na Lumière Skin Vitals. It is 600 pesos. 30 pesos is for the delivery charge. So I wanna show you first kung anong laman niya, and then let's check a week from now if hiyang ako sa product na to, because well, I heard good reviews from or feedback from other people, from my friends, but of course every skin varies. So kung hiyang siya dito, there might be a possibility that I'm not. Or if I'm hiyang with this, there might be a possibility that you're not. So, before I ruin everything, the package, the soap, I will show it to you guys first. I know this is a famous product right now, but for those of you who doesn't know, for the benefit of those who doesn't know, then here we go. So this is the package, or the pack, or the pouch. I love that there is a pouch na kasama, so that we can keep the things neat and organized and proper, right? So let's begin. So let's start with the soap. Per process or per procedure, right? So let's start with the soap. So this is the soap. Ang Chesmis is glutathione soap, rejuvenates, revitalizes, renews. So there's also a direction. And an ingredients: tranexamic acid, carica papaya, glutathione, kojic acid, marine collagen. So this is the soap, and social yung plastic niya. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga cheap plastic na manipis. So makapal siya. And then of course, after you, according to the instruction or the direction, prepare lukewarm water, wash your face and neck area with Lumière glutathione soap, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. You may also use the soap as your whitening bath soap. Bells, and then after you wash your face with the soap, of course, the next step is the rejuvenating toner, and this is for all skin types. So this is it. Buksan natin, amuyin natin. It doesn't smell acidic. Mabango siya actually, so I hope that it's not also harsh sa skin. So it contains allantoin, not sure what is, if I pronounce that right, alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid, carica papaya, castor wax, floral waters, hydrofluorates, niacin, and niacinamide. So yun, 60 ml. So this is the toner, and then after the toner you also have to use the the night cream. This one. Ayun, bakit? Ay, yun. Ayun. Night cream. So, the ingredients are alpha arbutin, bearberry plant, kika papaya, castor wax, cucumis sativus, tapos carota sativ, and tranexamic acid. So there's also an expiration date sa likod. So this was manufactured 5/2021 and will expire on 5/2023. So it's very important that you check the manufacturer and expiration date. Kasi, para malaman natin kung ano. So this is the ano. So when you open it, siyang ganyan, and tada! Let me smell. It smells like shea butter. So, hindi rin siya acidic smell. So, again, hopefully it's not harsh sa skin. So, it smells good, yummy. The next is, after you use this, you will then put or apply sunblock. So, yan. Yan po. Okay. And the ingredients are cinnamic acid, cinnamon leaves, cucumis sativus, flower water, glycine oil, grapes extract, marine collagen, sodium hyaluronate, titania, and tranexamic acid. So, same packaging lang siya sa night cream. And then, let's open it. Ganun din, same. And of course, let's check. And it also smells good. So, no acidic smell. Para din siyang, shea butter. Ganun. So, I'll start using it after I take this video. So, sabi nila night, but of course I am a call center agent. I work in a call center industry, so of course my night is day and my day is night. So before I go to sleep, I will already try this product, and then we'll come back for review, I guess, and see if this works, if okay ba siya sa face, or any feedback or review, or if I would recommend this product. This is not sponsored. I'm not a famous person, so walang sponsor. Binili natin to for 600 pesos. So that's it. I'll get back to you guys after a week or so.